How to monitor your child's Snapchat activity. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial. And on today's video we will see how we can monitor the child activity on Snapchat. So without any further delay, let's get started with this video. On Snapchat, there is a family center which is designed to help parents and guardians monitor their child activity on the app while respecting their privacy. So here's how you can do it. First of all, open up Snapchat in your device and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the top left corner and tap on your Bitmoji icon. Here, tap on the settings icon from the top right corner. Scroll all the way down and under privacy control, there is a family center option available. So you can use the family center in order to create family center where you can add your child account to monitor their activity. But to access this feature, your account or you must be at least 25 years old or greater or older than 25 years old. So from there, tap on family center. If your account is not, or if the birth date in your account is not set to be at least 25 or more than 25, you will land in this page. But if you are eligible, you will land in the next page where you can invite your child account. So you can get started and invite your child to join family center. Then you can send invitation via Snapchat. Once you accept the invitation on the child device through the family center feature, now your child account is linked to yours through the family center. Once you have linked, now again you can search in the search bar the family center, tap on it, and then you can view your child activity including their friend list. You can tap on their profile and review my stories to see what they have shared. And also you can check the location sharing settings as well. You can open up the recent chat and review the conversation list. You can check individual chat setting by tapping on the friend's profile in the chat. You can ensure alerts for friend requests and snap streaks to monitor the activity. So you can view their friend list, you can monitor who they are messaging, and if you notice a concerning connection, you can report it directly to the family center. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.